So you guys, this is the thickener. I got this for 100 naira each. This is uziza leaf. Hi guys, so you guys, my Temu order is here. So I ordered a few things from Temu. Let's unbox. So I ordered these for my phone. So this is like putting, it's for making videos actually. Comes with a clip. Yeah, and this charger. Especially when there is no light. I'm going to figure out how to use it, but okay. Something like this, and clip on my phone like this, and yeah. And there is no light. Okay, I can use it like this and make my video. Like, I love this. I love it so much. I love it. Like the other day in the night, I was on live video when NEPA took the light. And you can also dim it to this color if you don't want it so bright. Like, oh my god. This is so fine. And yeah. And here is the charger. The second thing here is this. So I ordered this offor. This is for my daughter. This is for my daughter. Let me just keep it like, because this is for her. It's offor, okay? And I also got this tripod for my daughter too. It's a tripod. So I will not be unboxing this one, so I'll be giving it to her as well. Other this Ghetto pants. Temu, tell me why this was so big in the picture and see how little it is. This is jewelry organizer. I got it for my daughters. Why is it looking so small? Gosh, why is it so small? My daughter is saying, let me give it to her and see how she's going to react. Here is a tripod.
Thank you, ma.
Here is a offor.
Thank you, ma.
Are you happy?
Yes,
are you sure?
So much, yes.
I say hi to my guys.
Hi.
So please subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe, comment, share, like to our channel. Thank you, man. I love this. Thank you.
You're welcome. So this is how this one is. Okay. So I think one person will be using this one now because it's too tiny. I expected it to be much more than this. That is why I don't use this one. If I don't use it for something else, it's too small. I beg. But Maybe because you can just have this, because you can just have it for now, and I'll order another one for the baby or something. And yeah, this is the last but not the least. Okay, this is also for rug. So guys, here is the for rug. This is for my business. I expected this to be longer than this. Okay. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Just to take pictures of shoes and bags, and yeah. Guys, I am not happy because after the excitement on my daughter's face, and I'm getting this. I ordered for a longer tripod. Here said it all. So tell me why I'm getting this size from Temu. Like, you can't even extend it to, you know, it's just short. This is how long it can go. Like, this is the height. And I want to return it. Please, if you're watching this video and you know how I can return this to Temu, please do let me know in the comment section, because I have to return this. I paid for longer one. I paid for 21,000 plus for this, and I don't know how much the short one is sold, but I wanted a longer one, and I'm getting this. I'm not happy. I'm not. Even the for rug I got for her is so small to compare with, honestly. So you guys, that will be all for our unboxing. Hi guys, good evening, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinelo Ezeonye, a YouTuber based in Kaduna. If you're tuning in for the first time, you're highly welcome. Okay, thank you for tuning in, and for my returning subscribers, I love you guys. Okay, thank you for always stopping by and watching my videos. I really appreciate. Okay guys, today is Wednesday evening, and I want to make soup for my family. I want to make this offor soup for my family, and I would like to carry you guys along. So please stay tuned, watch this video to the end, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, share my videos, and let more family. Okay, so you guys, this is the thickener. I got this thickener from different places, and it has two colors, but there's all the same thing. Maybe depending on how they prepare it, that they're decent, but I got this for 100 naira each. So I got this for 1,000 naira. I got ugu from my compound. Here is crayfish. I'm using dry pepper, salt, momo. I got this momo for 1,500. This is uziza leaf, my seasoning, and yeah, here is the dry fish. And you guys, this is the meat and the stockfish boiling in here. So let's go in with our palm oil. You guys, as you can see, my oil is heated. So I want to go in with obehe. I have 2 obehe here. Putting it into the oil. Here is all the offor. So I'm going to turn everything, stir it up, like, so that everything will just melt into the oil. So here is what it looks like. Here is what it looks like. So I'll go in with the protein and the meat broth. Everything goes in. Going in with more water so as to cook properly. Here is the cow skin, properly washed and it's also soft. Here is the seasoning. Dry pepper. I want to go in with the dry fish. Here is the crayfish. I'm going to stir everything together. So I'm going to cover it. So I'm going to cover it and allow it to boil together. Yeah, so let's give it some time. So guys, we have to complete with generator. NEPA has done their post again. So here is our soup. Let me go in with the uziza leaf. And secondly, I'll be going in with the pumpkin leaf, ugu leaf. Guys, I'm turning down the heat right now because I am done preparing our soup. Yeah. So you guys, this is all for my offer soup. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, share my video. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Let me go enjoy my soup.